In this video, we listed the 5 best car dashcam on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. LINGDU LD06 Dashcam. The Aperture f1.8 dashcam comes with a 1-year warranty and operates on corded electric power source. It is compatible with the LINGDU app, offering features like loop cycle recording and a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The hardware includes a 5K front camera, 2K rear camera, GPS, Bluetooth, G-sensor, and more. Software features consist of a 24-hour parking monitor, voice control, night vision, emergency recording, and GPS tracking. The video resolutions vary depending on the camera setup, ranging from 5K to 1080p. The dashcam's Wi-Fi allows for easy viewing and downloading of videos and pictures to a smartphone via the LINGDU app. Voice control in English enables hands-free operation, while GPS tracking records driving routes with detailed information. The package includes the LD06 2CH dashcam, rear camera, accessories, and a 64GB TF card. Additional equipment like a step-down cable is required for 24-hour monitoring functionality. Number 2. AZDOME M300S 4K Dashcam. The AZDOME Dashcam M300S is a high-quality device designed to enhance driving safety with its advanced features. Equipped with a front 4K camera and a rear 1080p camera, it captures clear road information simultaneously. The built-in GPS tracks driving routes, speed, and location details displayed on videos with timestamps. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the AZDOME app, users can easily view and download videos, pictures on their smartphones. The f1.8 aperture lens ensures superior image quality day and night, while features like loop recording, emergency recording, and voice control add convenience and security. The 24-hour parking monitor activates in case of impact, recording and saving video automatically. The package includes the dash camera, rear camera, accessories, and a free 64GB TF card. With specifications like Novatec 96670 chip, 128GB TF card support, and various recording resolutions, the M300S offers a comprehensive solution for safe and efficient driving. Number 3. Jimi JC400P 4G Car Camera. The JC400P is a GPS tracking and video monitoring device available in Eurasian and American versions, ensuring global compatibility. It comes with a range of features including web and app tracking through the TrackSolid Pro platform. The device weighs 0.8 kilograms and has dimensions of 109 by 69 by 52 millimeters, with a 3M cable length. The package includes accessories like an SOS cable, relay, 3M adhesive tape, and a SIM card lock. The device captures event videos in case of collisions or reckless driving, uploads them to the cloud, and offers driving behavior analysis to enhance safety and fuel economy. With a panic button for emergencies, real-time tracking capabilities, and a highly integrated design with 2 camera lenses, the JC400P is a comprehensive solution for fleet monitoring and driver safety. Number 4. K2 Pro Dashcam. The OBDPEAK K2 Pro is a feature-packed dashcam designed to meet all your car driving needs. With a built-in screen, loop cycle recording, audio recording, rear camera, and IPS display, it offers a comprehensive solution for capturing your journeys. The device supports dropshipping and includes 2 systems, CarPlay and Android Auto, along with dual lens recording capabilities. The front camera records in 4K resolution while the rear camera records in 1080p, providing clear and detailed footage. The 11.3-inch touch screen offers a wide-angle view, and the GPS tracking feature displays speed and coordinates. The K2 Pro also boasts high-fidelity audio output options, mirror link support, in-app video download, and real-time viewing. Additional features include full-screen reversing, 24-hour parking monitoring, and upgradable system versions. Users can troubleshoot common issues related to audio output, time settings, and SD card compatibility through the provided FAQs. Number 5. LINGDU AM104K Dashcam. The LINGDU AM104K Dashcam with the DAS is a high-quality dash camera equipped with advanced features for safe and convenient driving. It features a carefully designed hardware setup including the NT98529 chipset, Sony IMX415 sensor, and f1.8 aperture for smooth 4K Ultra HD video recording. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and GPS functionality, this dashcam offers seamless connectivity and accurate data recording. The included 64GB TF card ensures ample storage capacity, with support for up to 256GB. The dashcam also boasts impressive night vision capabilities, loop recording, parking monitoring functions, and a wide 150 degrees angle view for comprehensive protection. Additionally, the supercapacitor design ensures durability and safety in extreme temperatures. Overall, the LINGDU AM100 provides reliable performance and essential features for capturing clear and detailed footage both day and night.